Assembly is a meaningful step towards understanding how clean energy, global goals, and unity together can shape a sustainable future for all. Yes, Janisha, the theme Powering a Sustainable Future reminds us that every small act, saving electricity, planting trees, or promoting peace can light up our planet with hope. Powering a sustainable future with clean energy. Energy is a backbone of development, but when we depend too much on coal, oil, gas, we damage our air, our water, and even our health. That's why clean energy like solar, wind, hydropower are the way forward. To explore this vital issue, let us hear from a panel of experts and citizens. Let me introduce them to you. Dr. Jonathan, a scientist and a researcher. Next, I welcome Ms. Juanita, a passionate ecologist. Joining us in Ms. Janani, a government official. And next I welcome Mubin, a youth representative. And finally I welcome Ms. Rakshita, a common citizen. Thank you all for being here today. Let us start our discussion. Dr. Jonathan, as a scientist, could you explain why clean energy is so important for the future? Clean energy is important because it's renewable, pollution free, and never ending. Fossil fuels release dangerous gases like carbon dioxide, which cause global warming. By using solar, wind, and hydropower, we can run our homes and industries without harming nature. For example, the Pavagada Solar Park in Karnataka is one of the world's largest solar projects. A single solar panel can stop over 1 ton of carbon dioxide emissions per year. Imagine if millions of homes use them. That's how powerful clean energy can be. Thank you, Dr. Jonathan, for enlightening the science behind clean energy. Ms. Juanita, as an ecologist, what are dangers continuing with fossil fuels?
Fossil fuels are the biggest enemies of our environment. They cause air pollution, smog in cities, acid rain, and global warming. Rising temperatures are melting glaciers and increasing floods, cyclones, and droughts. Countries like Iceland run almost fully on renewable energy, which shows that it is possible. Every time we save energy, we are actually saving rivers, trees, and even human lives.
Thank you, Ms. Juanita, for the powerful reminder. Ms. Janani, what are the steps is the government taking to promote clean energy? The government is taking strong steps towards a clean energy future. Through the International Solar Alliance, 120 countries are working together to make a solar energy affordable. India's Ujala scheme has distributed LED bulbs, saving billions of electricity watts. By 2030, India's aim to get 50% of its energy from renewable sources. A clean energy is longer an option, it's our duty and responsibility. Thank you, Ms. Janani, for highlighting the government's inspiring initiatives for a greener tomorrow. Mubin, as a youth representative, how does young people contribute to a sustainable future?
Young people are the future guardians of the earth. We can save energy by switching off lights, fans, and gadgets when not in use. Choosing to walk, cycle, or using public transport reduces our dependence on coal and oil. Spreading awareness about solar lamps, rainwater harvesting, and energy saving devices. A small act like turning off a fan can save 50 units of electricity in a year. If every young people does their part, we can together light up the earth with hope and clean energy.
Thank you, Mubin. Indeed, the power of youth can brighten our Earth's future. Miss Rakshita, as a common citizen, how do you see the benefits of clean energy in your daily life? For common people like us, clean energy means lower bills and healthier lives. Solar water heaters reduce LPG usage, saving money and resources. LED bulbs cut electricity bills almost in half. Solar powered street lights in villages bring safety, light, confidence in communities. Clean energy is not only about protecting our planet, it's about improving our everyday lives. When citizens act together, small steps create a big impact. Thank you, Ms. Rakshita. That beautifully shows how clean energy benefits every home and community. Together, we can power a future where growth does not come in cost of nature. Let's remember our choices today decides Earth's tomorrow. Thank you.
காந்தல் ஆம்பல் அனிச்சம் குவளை குறிஞ்சி வெட்சி செங்குடுவேரி தேமா மணிச்சிகை உந்துள் கூவிளம் எருள் சுள்ளி கூவிரம் வடவனம் ஆகை குடசம் எருவை செருவிலை கருவிலம் பயணி வாணி குரவம் பசும்பிடி வகுளம் காயா ஆவிரை வேரல் சூரல் சிறுபுலை குறுநெருங்கண்ணி குறுகிலை மருதம் கோங்கம் போங்கம் திலகம் ஆதிரி செருந்தி அதிரல் சண்பகம் கரந்தை குளவி மா தில்லை பாலை முல்லை கஞ்சங்குல்லை பிடிவம் செங்கருங்காழி வாழை வள்ளி நெய்தல் தாளை தழவம் தாமரை ஞாழல் மௌவல் கொக்குடி சேடல் செம்மல் சிறுசெங்குரலி கோடல் கைதை வளை காஞ்சி கருங்குவளை பாங்கர் மராம் தணக்கம் ஈங்கை இலவம் கொன்றை அடும்பு ஆத்தி அவரை பங்கன்றை பலாசம் பிண்டி வஞ்சி பித்திகம் சிந்துவாரம் தும்பை துழாய் தோன்றி நந்தி நரவம் புன்னாகம் பாரம் வீரம் குறுகத்தி ஆரம் கால்வை புன்னை நரந்தம் நாகப்பூ நல்லி இருநாரி குருந்தம் வேங்கை புழகு. நன்றி.
One by one we can spread the news about how to stop pollution blues. Together we're reaching out to you to help us save the earth. Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land and air. This is our planet to share.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. It is my privilege to convey our gratitude to everyone who made this morning special. We are deeply thankful to our Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am for your guidance. We also extend a warm thanks to AV Sir for his technical support. A heartfelt thanks to all the teachers and non-teaching staff for guiding us. And finally, a sincere thanks to all my dear friends for your attention and participation today. Let us continue to work together with commitment towards a brighter, greener, and a better tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.